Hi, welcome back to Outdoors with Alex. It's very cold where I live, so today we're going to be making a DIY survival heater. To make this DIY heater, you will need a couple things: isopropyl alcohol, toilet paper, and a 1 quart paint can. At the start, we need to put the toilet paper in the can. So it can't fit, but we'll have to make some changes. First, we should take the middle of the toilet paper outside. Just like this, you take the middle out, but it still doesn't fit in the can, so we have to take some off. You can see that we took some off the toilet roll, but now we're going to put it inside the can. Now we have the toilet paper in the can. Next, we get the isopropyl alcohol and pour slowly so the toilet paper can soak it up. We added about 20 ounces of isopropyl alcohol, and now, once it's done soaking up, we should do a little bit left on top. Now we're ready to test it. We moved outside to test it. You should always have supervision. Don't ever do this inside. You see, this can burn for hours, and when you're done with it, you can put the cap on, and it puts the flame out. Thanks for watching my video, and remember, adventure starts here.